getting some breaking news. Land of job scam heat on Lalu Yadav and family. Lalu Yadav reaches court for land for job scam hearing in the national capital. Rabri Devi and Tejaswi Yadav also appear in the Delhi court. So big loss of face for the RJD ahead of the assembly elections in the state of Bihar. Framing of charges today in the Delhi court. So charges will be framed in the Rouse Avenue court today in the national capital. Lalu Yadav, Rabri Devi and Tejaswi Yadav have appeared for the hearing, and land for job scam heat on Lalu Yadav and family. Lalu Yadav has already reached the court for the hearing. Rabri Devi and Tejaswi Yadav have also appeared in the Delhi court. My colleague Shreya is now joining us with more details on this. Shreya, what lies for the Lalu Yadav family today?
Well, it's a very important day, Anjali. It is in the IRCTC corruption case that the order on the framing of charges will be pronounced by Special Judge Vishal Gogne. What we do understand that this entire corruption case was during the tenure when Lalu Prasad Yadav was in the railway ministry. This was during the period of 2004 to 2009. In 2017 is when the CBI registered a case. They investigated the matter. The allegations prima facie was that there were two hotel maintenance tenures that were actually given in return of kickbacks that were received in the name of Benami properties to Lalu Yadav, and that's precisely the hearing that has gone in since the case was filed, the charge sheet was filed by the CBI, and finally today framing of charges will take place, and clearly this is something that is also going to set the ball for the Bihar elections. How that will affect the upcoming elections is something the people will decide, but clearly today the news is tightening around the Lalu family, and once the framing of charges happens, it will be a day-to-day hearing in this particular matter with the trial speeding up.